This is your name design. I am starting by drawing straight lines with my straight edge. You can use anything for your straight edge. It doesn't have to be one of the plastic traceable shapes. It could just be a book or another piece of paper, anything that's straight. I'm drawing 3 lines across the paper, one at the bottom, one towards the middle, and one towards the top, kind of dividing the paper into thirds, but it doesn't have to be exact. And then I am drawing the word I want to use. I would encourage you to use your name, but if you want to pick another word that means something to you, that would be okay as well. I am drawing the letter L and just using my straight edge to make sure it's nice and straight. And I'm writing the word love, so this is my O. And just going around making sure that it is about the same width as that letter L shape. I'm just making my letter V. I'm using the 2 lines that I drew to make all the letters the same size. And just moving my straight edge around to make all my lines straight. Now I am drawing a point on that top line. It can actually be anywhere on that top line. I drew mine towards the middle. That is called the vanishing point. And that line there could be known as the horizon line. And this is going to be a 1-point perspective. If it was 2-point perspective, we might have another vanishing point in another direction. So now I'm just lining up from the corners of my letters to that vanishing point, moving my straight edge along. I'm stopping at the letter O. I don't want to draw lines through my letters, just from the letters, tops of the letters to that point. Because we want to make these letters 3D. Go back in space. Even when I did those shorter lines that don't go all the way to the point, I'm still making sure that my straight edge is lined up with that point when I draw it. Now I'm deciding how far back I want my letters to go in space. I could go closer towards the vanishing point. That would make my letters go farther in space. And now I'm just erasing the lines I don't need, which are also called construction lines. Just erasing those. I could erase that line all the way across the top and my little notes there, but I'm not worried about it right now. And now I'm thinking of my letters as buildings. So I'm essentially drawing the walls of the buildings. So you'll see I did the top of the letter, the side, and the bottom there. Erasing lines I don't need. Now for the O, I want to make sure that there's a curve. It goes kind of with the shape of the O. And I'm not real happy with the width, how that O is looking, so I'm going to go in and just make it a little bit wider. And keep the top of the O curved. And erase the lines I don't need. And that's my baby. If you can hear him crying in the background, it's okay. Now I'm doing the top of the V, erasing lines I don't need. And then I'm drawing the back of the V there. Like that. I'm just darkening in the line so you can see a little bit better on the video. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. And that's it. And then we'll start to color these with marker. We'll outline with marker and create value with color pencil.